Want bigger buds without synthetic nutrients? These 5 beginner-friendly organic amendments will help you grow naturally dense, high-quality flowers. Hey cultivators, welcome back to the Organic Grow Academy. Today, I'm sharing my top picks for beginner-friendly organic amendments that boost bud size naturally. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out www.seedtogrowth.com. First up, worm castings. These are like black gold for your soil, full of beneficial microbes, enzymes, and mild nutrients that plants can absorb easily. Top dressing with worm castings during veg and early flower supports healthy microbial life and encourages explosive root and canopy development. It's gentle, effective, and nearly impossible to overdo. Next is compost tea, brewed from compost and aerated water. This living tea feeds your soil biology and boosts microbial diversity, kind of like giving your soil a healthy probiotic shot. When your soil is alive, your plants respond with stronger growth and bigger buds. Apply during early flower to give your plants a microbial boost just when they need it most. Brew for 24 to 36 hours with aeration and apply during the early bloom phase. Bat guano has been a go-to for decades, and for good reason. It's high in phosphorus, which fuels flower production and helps buds stack up dense. Add it as a top dress or brew it into a tea during the early to mid-flowering stages. Use in moderation. Too much can throw off your soil balance. Kelp Meal is a powerhouse packed with micronutrients and natural plant hormones. It improves root health, boosts stress tolerance, and helps your plants push through stretch and stack solid buds. You can mix it into your soil or brew it into a liquid foliar spray. It's great during veg and early bloom for balanced growth. Last up is fishbone meal, a slow-release source of phosphorus and calcium. It feeds flowering plants steadily over time and supports strong cell walls and dense bud formation. Mix it into your soil at flip to flower and let it break down naturally through the bloom cycle. There you have it, 5 simple beginner-friendly organic amendments that can help you grow bigger buds naturally without sacrificing plant health or flavor. Which one are you using in your garden? Drop your favorite amendment in the comments and hit that like button if this helped you out. Need help dialing in on your first organic grow? Head over to www.seedtogrowth.com. And remember, the seeds of today are the flowers of tomorrow. Class dismissed.